Boom.
Ever wonder how lightning happens? Inside a storm cloud, tiny ice and water particles collide, building up static electricity, just like rubbing a balloon on your hair. This creates a charge imbalance, with negative charges sinking to the bottom of the cloud and positive charges rising. When that difference gets too strong, zap. A massive electrical discharge jumps between the cloud and the ground. That's lightning. And don't forget, the heat from lightning makes the air explode, creating thunder. If you hear it a few seconds later, that's because light travels faster than sound. Lightning is powerful, beautiful, and dangerous, so always stay safe in a storm.